Ma, he's coming. Or maybe you are right. Do you really know how embarrassing to get divorced by yourself? But you know what? Since he doesn't have money or anything, but we have the boat, and it's on my name, and I'm taking it. And you are right. Well, he's funny, and sex was really great, and I just married him for sex, and it was fine, you know. Yeah. Here he is. Where have you been? I can't believe you wanted me to be. You know what? I hate you. I really do. You're not even wearing shoes. Why? Just know that we are done. We are divorced, and you suck, by the way. I have to go.